It's Independence Day 2026, America 250. And what a better way to celebrate than with some fireworks and a ride on the elevator. There's the American flag. Yes, it is waving in the wind today. This is an elevator in Derby. Check this out. Look at this. It's huge. Dover, black button. Take it up to 2. I don't know where it goes, so I'm gonna stand back here. Oh, it doesn't open up. Oh, good. I'm gonna take it for another ride then. Look at this beautiful elevator. This elevator is gorgeous. ADA compliant fund right there. Take it for one more ride. Watch the button. Take it back up to 2. Look at this button. It's gorgeous. Automatic door close too. Here are 2. I'm going to show you the, it doesn't open up anywhere. Like, oh, like an up button. Looks like an old Vixen, doesn't it? It's pretty cool. Take it back down to 2. Or, I'm sorry, F. Yeah, we're going to watch it go out. One last view before we go. Beautiful elevator. Unfortunately, this doesn't work anymore. All right, step out. Look at this beauty. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's beautiful, huh? And there it goes, and that's it.